Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering down and unplugging the monitor. Do this now so you don't short anything. Remove loose dust with a dry, folded microfiber cloth. This prevents scratches later. Once done, mix a cleaning solution. 1 part distilled water, 1 part 70% isopropyl alcohol only if the manufacturer allows, otherwise use distilled water alone. Do not use ammonia or window cleaners. Keep liquid minimal, dampen the cloth. Never spray the screen directly, and set towels beneath the frame to catch drips. You'll now remove the fingerprints without damaging coatings. Start at the top and work downward. Lightly dampen a corner of the microfiber cloth and use gentle, circular strokes to lift oils. Pressure should be barely firm, not forceful. Make sure to overlap passes and change to a clean cloth area when grime accumulates. For bezel areas, use a cotton swab moistened with solution. Once the surface looks even, switch to a dry section and buff in vertical strokes to remove streaks and restore uniform clarity. You're in the final stage, fully dry and inspect. Use a dry, lint-free microfiber to gently buff the screen, viewing from several angles to spot any streaks or smudges. Make sure the monitor is completely dry before reconnecting power. Wait a few minutes to be safe. If oily residue persists, repeat the damp clean then dry cycle with a fresh cloth. For stubborn marks, try a higher alcohol ratio only if permitted by the manufacturer. If permanent spots or damage appear, stop and contact support. Do not escalate with rough tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.